Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, we have to find the value of x in the following equation. 5 plus 5 multiplied with 6 plus 5 multiplied with 6 at the power of 2 plus, until we have plus 5 multiplied with 6 at the power of 2008 equals with x at the power of 2009 minus 1. But first, hit the subscribe button in the video corner and stay till the end in order to understand better this example. How to find value of x 50-degree problem for this situation. First, I'm going to rewrite numbers 5 as 6 minus 1. Why 6 minus 1? Because in here I have 6. And now we're going to replace in the initial relationship 5. And we have 6 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 multiplied with 6 plus 6 minus 1 multiplied with 6 at the power of 2 plus 6 minus 1 multiplied with 6 at the power of 2008 equals with x at the power of 2009 minus 1. This relationship is equivalent with, here I'm going to get rid of parentheses by multiply each term from the parentheses with the term before parentheses. We have now 6 minus 1 plus 6 at the power of 2 minus 6 plus 6 at the power of 3 minus 6 at the power of 2 plus, until we have plus 6 at the power of 2009 minus 6 at the power of 2008 equals with x at the power of 2009 minus 1. This one is equivalent with 6 at the power of 2009 minus 1 equals with x at the power of 2009 minus 1. This one is equivalent with x at the power of 2009 equals with 6 at the power of 2009. Since we have the same exponent, results that the base are equal. So x equals with 6. This is it for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the video corner and see you tomorrow. Thank you.